Hi, I'm Kannon Davis. This is my BMIS 365 final project proposal, and it is a NFL statistic machine application. Throughout this project, I hope to give you an understanding of how my application works and why it is fun and important. Purpose and unique features. I plan to provide users with an easy and dynamic way to gather relevant team information. My application intends to streamline the start to finish process and be incredibly easy to use. I also intend to allow users to have a variety of statistics to choose from during the 2020 season. The main purpose of this application is to provide easy access to relevant game statistics. Some unique and dynamic features in my application is the use of images to make the program more engaging and dynamic. Also, the About Us page, even though small, provides lots of opportunity. Small capabilities like this add up to make a much easier application to use in the long run. So my input consists of two main comma separated values or CSV documents. The first one is here on the left. This one is all string input and is used to fill out my team data array. And then the second one here on the right is a variety of string, double, and integer values and is used to fill out my game data array. And then the main user input is buttons and checkbox selections. This just streamlines the application and makes it a lot easier for people to use and makes it a lot easier for them not to break. So starting with the user interface, this is my main page. Here, users can use which conference they'd like to see, or if they would like to see all the teams. And this draws from the team data array to fill out the list boxes that we'll see in the next page. Also here, you can see the help button. This help button pulls up the About Us form, which provides users with tips on how to use the application and other relevant information about the application. The next part of the user interface is this conference page. Here it shows all the teams divided by their respective division, and it used the team data array to put the teams into their respective divisions. Continuing with the user interface, here is the team page. Here it is references the selected index change from the list boxes that we saw here in this previous slide. And it uses the game data array to fill this data grid view box. And here is where the team logo will be and the team name will change to whatever team it is here. This is just a fun, dynamic way for users to interact with the information. Here are some relevant statistics that users will be able to choose from, and then they'll select this button to display those statistics. There will be an error loop to make sure that if no statistics are selected, nothing happens and makes them select some statistics. And there's also a start over button. So if many of these slides have a start over button, and if at any point in the process, the user accidentally misclicks or decides they wanted to do something else, they can just quickly restart. The final part of the user interface, and which is also my output, is the statistic form. It's the output of the user selected statistics. Here, the users can look over at whatever statistics they wanted to see, and then they can also decide whether they're done using the application or they want to go pick another team to go get more statistics for. The next part that I wanted to talk about is the processing. The team page form uses one CSV file to reference data within another. So the use of the abbreviations is what I use to do most of this. And I use the abbreviations in the team data array to make selections from the game data array to fill out items in the team page and in the statistic form. And then data from the team data array is used to reference the images that are displayed on the team form. And I've named all the images with their respective abbreviation names. And so it makes it very fast and easy to go through. And then here's just a quick little hierarchical chart sample of how the team page works. It initializes by loading in the respective arrays. The users can select the checkboxes. There's an error loop like we talked about for stopping if nothing's selected, and they can always start over. And then this part shows what respective forms will be brought up if they make these decisions in the right manner. And thank you for taking the time to watch my proposal. And I can't wait to demonstrate the capabilities of my final project for you here soon.